bad happened to your father. You won't be alone anymore. You're gonna move with us, with cousin Michael.
Jimmy told me you're working for Michael now.
You know what we do.
I always thought that you were different than your cousin.
Who did this?
God knows, man.
You don't give them what they want, you know what's gonna happen.
You have to be on my side. You're my brother.
What are you gonna do? Tetons have been around for like, what, 100 years? Are you gonna end it? Is there any way to forget about all this?
No. Are you just another stupid Irish fuck?
You're just like Michael, but I think you're worse. Because you're a fucking coward.
You act like you're ashamed we're cousins.
Who do you think set up your father?